Hello friends, hello again. My name is Manisha Dubey. Welcome to my channel. When you asking someone to do something or when you make request or you asking for permission in a very polite way, आप या क्या use करते हैं? Please or can I do this or please help me kind of a thing. So instead of saying please or can I, we will use different word, different sentences and different phrases to be more polite. तो आइए देखते हैं. My first example is could you. Could you is the most polite way to make request with family, friends. It is like informal way. Like if you are suppose you can say that could you hold this bottle for me. और आप अगर अपनी सिस्टर से बोलना चाहते हैं could you help me in cooking or could you help me to do this, to do that. इस तरीके से in a informal way. Next example is would you mind. When you are asking someone to do something for you in a formal way, you can use would you mind. Would you mind waiting outside. आप मतलब you are in a very polite way. Like अगर मुझे बोलना है कि आप मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए तो मैं बोलूँगी would you mind subscribing my channel in a very polite way kind of a thing. Next example is would you mind if. Would you mind if is means you are asking permission in a very polite way. Like जैसे would you mind if I came late. मतलब आप परमिशन मांग रहे हैं, आप यू आर आस्किंग फॉर परमिशन कि अगर मैं लेट आया तो. जैसे एक दूसरा एग्जांपल लेते हैं जैसे वुड यू माइंड इफ आई ब्रॉट माई फ्रेंड टू द पार्टी. कुछ इस तरीके से मीन्स यू आर आस्किंग फॉर परमिशन इन अ फॉर्मल वे. काइंडली is our next example. When you are asking someone to do something, especially when you are angry or when you are annoyed and you don't want to show it and you still want to be polite with them, you can use kindly. Kindly listen to me. You are kindly requested to leave the building. It means you are angry, you are annoyed, but you don't want to show it, you want to be polite, then you can use kindly. Moving on to next example, that is if you don't mind. If you don't mind means if it is okay with you, I hope it is not annoying with you, तब आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं if you don't mind. If you don't mind, how old are you? आप ऐसे पूछते हैं ना. If you don't mind, we will not talk about it anymore. कुछ इस तरीके से मतलब मीन्स आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं, आपको कुछ आपत्ति तो नहीं, आपको कुछ ऑब्जेक्शन तो नहीं, तब आप बोल सकते हैं if you don't mind. Moving on to next example or last example. If that is all right with you. If that is all right with you, again it is if you don't mind, I hope it is not annoying with you, it is okay with you, तब आप बोल सकते हैं. I would like to ask you few questions. If that is all right with you. Before we will start something new, I want to ask you something. If that is all right with you. तो देखा आपने, we did not use please or can I. We want to be polite, we want to be more polite, but we did not use please or can I. तो आप instead of using please or can I, you can use different sentences, different phrases, different words to be more polite with people in formal way or informal way. So I hope you are liking the videos. Thanks for the watching.